Hey, what's up guys? In today's video, let's check out how you can get the Android TV on top of Windows. With that being said, if you end up liking this video, drop a like and subscribe to the channel, and let's begin the show. So to start with, first go to the link in the description and download and install the Android Studio. So it's absolutely free, you can just go to the link in the description and download it. So I'm using here the Android Studio 2020.3.1, which is absolutely available as a freeware on the internet itself. So once you download it, the installation is pretty simple. You can just go through the setup, and once it's done, you're ready to use the Android Studio. So once you're into it, simply hit the more actions and you'll be seeing a drop down. Right in there, click on AVD manager, and once you are there, click on create virtual device and select in the category TV and select the resolution that you want the TV to be in. For me it is 1080p. Click on next, and right up there select up the image. So here in the image you need to select the Android version that you want. So right in here, if you want to have the Android version 11, that is the Android R. You can also download the image from the internet by clicking on the download button right beside the name of the Android version. So once you click on download, the image will be downloaded. Once downloaded, you can simply select the image and click on next, and you can give your AVD a name, and once it's done, it's gonna create an Android virtual device. And once it's done, you can simply hit the play button right to the side of the metadata, and once it's done, you see the Android TV playing right in front of you. So the first boot might take a couple of minutes, but once it's done, you are ready to play with the Android TV. So you can also adjust up the resolution by hitting the zoom icon right on the control bar. So once everything has been set up, you are ready to rock and roll with the Android TV that is running with Android 11, which is Android R. So you have ton of features to just play with. So in order to unlock those, you can simply log in with your Google account. You can also go ahead and download up a couple of apps from the Play Store, which is absolutely incredible. So you also have this YouTube app pre-installed. Let us go ahead and check how well that performs. So yeah, here we are into the YouTube. Let us go ahead and search the NCS. Okay, now let's just go ahead and play a video. Yeah, things are pretty good. You have all the options that are on the Android TV. You can also go ahead and download other apps from the Play Store. So next up, we also have Google Assistant. So in order to use all these features, you need to log in to your Google account. So you can just simply sign in using your credentials or create one, which is absolutely good. And you have each and every feature that is available on a traditional Android TV, which is pretty good. Well, that's pretty much it for this video guys. If you enjoyed this, drop a like and subscribe to the channel. This is Hemant Raj signing out for now, and I'll catch you guys next time. Till then, peace out.